Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open YouTube Studio on Android and sign in with the channel you will manage. Make sure you're using the correct Google account. Once signed in, grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so uploads and in-app editing work without interruptions. Also enable two-step verification for security and link AdSense if you plan to monetize. This prevents delays later. Now tap the Video Plus button to start an upload or the Analytics tab to preview recent performance. We'll take the upload path first. You pick the video file from device storage, then trim start and end with precise handles. This removes dead space quickly. Once trimmed, tap thumbnail to choose or upload a custom image and craft a clear title. Include keywords but avoid stuffing. Next, add a strong description, select relevant tags, and place the video in an appropriate playlist to improve discovery. Make sure to set visibility, public, private, or unlisted, choose audience settings, and toggle monetization if eligible. These choices affect reach and revenue. You review every detail before publishing: title, thumbnail, description, tags, audience, and monetization. Then either publish immediately or schedule for peak times. After publishing, open the Analytics tab to monitor views, watch time, and retention so you can iterate on content. Focus on the first minute for retention gains. If something goes wrong, an upload error or missing thumbnail, first check your Wi-Fi or mobile connection, confirm free storage on device, and update the app. Reinstall only if other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.